Para po sa mga kababayan natin na hindi po familiar how a trial works, usually po merong presiding officer, judge po yun, and then nagbibigyan po ng pagkakataon ng prosecution at ang defense. Iyon po yung dalawang partido na naglalaban, Team A, Team B. Team A prosecution, Team B defense. Una pong nagpe-present ng ebidensya ang prosecution dahil sila po ang nagbibuild ng case, sila po ang nagbibintang. Ang trabaho naman po ng defense, matapos pong i-establish yung mga alegasyon, yung mga pagbibintang, doon po papasok ang defense kasi magkakas na sila ng doubt during or after po ng presentation ng prosecution. Pero pwede po sila mag-interject from time to time during the presentation of evidence ng prosecution. After po mag-present ng dalawa ni Team A and Team B, prosecution and defense, saka po magbobotohan ang isang korte. In this case po, magbobotohan po yung ating senator judges. Ang mangyayari po today, July 6, this is the formal opening of the impeachment court after the initial convening in May, and then after the pre-trial conference in June. This is the trial stage. This is a trial phase. At ang mag-open po, ang magpe-preside ng impeachment court ay si Senate President Win Gatchalian. That's under the rules. He is the Senate President. But again, we can see another lawyer or another senator rather presiding over the impeachment trial. Under the rules, nabanggit nga po ni Patrick, it can be anyone. But again, in the past impeachments, nakita po natin how legal background has helped yung presiding officer in the case of syempre Chief Justice nung panahon po ni Erap, and then itong panahon po ni Corona, si dating Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, who's really, after all, despite the issues and allegations he faced, he is very familiar with the legal practice. After po ng opening ng presiding officer, mag-opening statement po ang presiding officer. After po nun ay i-yield po ang floor sa ating mga senators. In this case, possibly, we'll only have 21 senators. The 21 senators will be given 2 minutes for their opening statements. Nasaan po si Senator Marcoleta? There's a possibility that he will be arrested today because the Sandigan Bayan 3rd Division has issued a warrant of arrest against him. Is currently in Sandigan Bayan. Kaya may possibility po na hindi na siya makaalis doon if doon na po siya arrestuin or doon na po siya mag-undergo ng booking process. Balik po tayo sa process. After po ng opening statement ng mga senators ay mag-opening statement naman po ang partido. Possibly for the part of the House prosecution, it would be lead prosecutor Jervil Luistro, and for the defense, it's the lead defense counsel Sheila Sison. After po noong opening statement ay pwede na po mag-proceed ang impeachment court sa presentation of the witnesses or testimonial evidence. In this case po kasi, one witness lang per day. So far, ang nilista po ng House prosecution ay 3, 2 from NBI and 1 from the House. Yan po si NBI Director Jeremy Lotok. Siya po ang witness para po doon sa assassin na nag-connect daw po sa assassin, allegedly si Vice President Sara Duterte. Si NBI Senior Agent Kalilong na nag-authenticate nung video Zoom press conference ni Vice President Sara Duterte kung saan niya binantaan si President Ferdinand Marcos, at si Captain Belinda Bello. Siya po ay House official na present po siya nung araw na nilak ni Vice President Sara Duterte yung sarili niya para isagawa yung press con right after the arrest of her former Chief of Staff, Zuleika Lopez. So that's gonna be the process. That's what we are expecting today na mangyari dito po sa Senate impeachment court.